alaikum. Today we discuss about the 10th chapter, Unit 9, Nursi movement. Who is Badiuzzaman Nursi? His name is Badiuzzaman Nursi. He born in 1876 and died in 1960. In the village of Nursi in Batlis province in Old Turkey. At that time, many people in Turkey not accept People Party. They love the People Party rule like a secularistic rule, but many people love to rule in Islamic way in Turkey. So, but around 27 years, the People Party not agree anyone to participate in politics, and they strictly banned all parties in that time. But at that time, Nursi always talk when totally against the situations against him, but he talk always, and his powerful voice always against the non-Islamic rules and non-Islamic system of People Party in Turkey. And he also invite peoples to Brotherhood of Islam, not Brotherhood of Turkish. He also invite the Brotherhood of Islam, and people call him Badiuzzaman, means wonder of the age, because of his knowledge and his bravery. And in 1908, he supported the constitutional revolution, and he tried to Islamize that revolution. And he also participated in First World War. In 1916, February 16, Russian army captured him, and he got imprisoned in 2 years. After 2 years, he escaped and returned to Istanbul in 1918, and he appointed as a member of Darul Hikmah al-Islami. It is an educational institution. So when he returned from prison, he appointed as a member of Darul Hikmah al-Islami, and Kamal Pasha tried to attract him because he have a big follower back him. So Kamal Pasha tried to attract him, but he refused all offers from Kamal Pasha, and he turned against the activities of Kamal Pasha. Nursi understand Ankara is not good for him, and he stayed in cave with solitude near Van River. Government also fear him and follow him and his every step. And in 1927, he arrested by the suspect of involvement of Naqshbandi revolt, and he exiled into Sparta, and he died in Sparta in 1960. Okay. His main one legacy is he continues his teaching even in jail, and he write an explanation of Quran named Rasaile Noor, and he write many of Risala like this. He have about 130 Risalas. The collection of this Risala is around 6,000 page. The restriction of Nursi works always in People Party, but after the rule of Democratic Party in 1956, it avoid the restriction of Nursi work, especially his Quran translation Rasaile Noor. And in 1960 March 3, he died in Urfa city, and his body take after 2 years and buried in unknown place in Sparta. He teach moral to many youth of that generation, and a big followers around him, and his followers is known as Tolebe Noor. His followers are big amount, around 10 million followers are around him, and the Tolebe Noor have a big hand in Democratic and Justice Party in Turkey. Nursi have a Nursi give the definition of secularism is the government not involving in the religious matter, and later it become a theory of secularism. And Taliban party also support Justice Party in politics, and is one of the main legacy is the magazine Yeni Asia, published from Istanbul, and he also follow the Naqshbandi Tariq. Okay, he also follow the Naqshbandi Tariq, important one. So this is the Nursi movement and his work. So this is the description. So next class we have to discuss about another unit. Assalamu alaikum warahmatullah.